So we've got our 3 colors out here. Grab your stick of butter, run it around the edges, and a little bit on the bottom. You may think, Andy, generous with the butter. I'm gonna place them inside this pan. Once I put them balled up, I'm gonna grab some blue here. And yes, are we gonna mix some colors? Like I said, definitely. But I'm gonna let these all form together, and then we're gonna cut them in a minute. We're gonna give them a little time to harden, and when we come back, it'll make for a cleaner cut when we put them all together and place them inside the cone. We're gonna cut each of these snow cones into thirds. So we're gonna take an end piece from the red, a middle from the blue, and an end piece from the yellow. This looks awesome already. I'm gonna press them together on the lines where they come together. I'm not too worried about the bottom because I'm gonna put that inside the cone. That looks delicious. But here's a little pro tip. We're going with the big cones. And on the big cone, you set that in. Mama said be home for dessert. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set these in, and that's how you make it. We'll end up putting 6 of them in a box. I'm gonna take some time right now, piece them all together, and I'll be back with the goodness. Hey, there it is. Snow cones made out of Rice Krispie Treats. It's gonna be perfect for that snow cone and soiree party. Hey, if you're also looking to make something colorful, thematic, and easy with your family, with anyone, this is a perfect recipe. And if you wanna know how to make the perfect Rice Krispie Treats, go ahead and click the card right now and it'll take you to my video about making the perfect Rice Krispie Treats. If you don't wanna miss any more creations that are coming your way from Krispie King, click the subscribe button and also smash the bell so that you'll get updates every time a new video comes out. We know that everyone deserves to be treated like royalty, so let's start treating. I'll see you in the kitchen.